how was your experience of understanding the human behavior?
Yeah, for me, I think it was a little bit different than for the innocents, because I was just seeing everything from the outside. Though I wasn't seeing too much also, because I was also busy in what I was doing. But it is interesting to see how everything that we did in the game happens in real life as well, right? Like how one person just starts a conversation and
Creates
suddenly
kalesh.
creates a propaganda, and then everybody starts believing in that, and backstabbing people, which happens in real life. So you are in this game and you're seeing all of this happen, and you realize that this happens in real life as well. It's not just in this game. And it just opens your eyes to human behavior, human psychology, and what it all really means. And it was just mind blowing for me, and I have learned so much.
Janat?
आई थिंक मैंने ओवरऑल बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी हैं, बिकॉज आप इतने दिन इतने घंटे लोगों के साथ बिता रहे हैं, और स्पेशली शो में जाने के पहले हम एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं थे, तो हमने जीरो से स्टार्ट किया था, और 10 दिन में हमने जितना एक दूसरे के बारे में जाना है, नॉट जस्ट सिर्फ ट्रेटर्स को ढूंढने के अंदर, बट एज ह्यूमंस, और ऐसे बिट्रेयल और झूठ के गेम में भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आप किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते, हमने किया है एक दूसरे पर ट्रस्ट। ऐसे भी सिचुएशंस में ढूंढना कि आपका गट क्या बोल रहा है, ऐसी प्रेशर सिचुएशंस में अपने आप को हैंडल कैसे करना है, अपने गट फीलिंग के हिसाब से जाना है नहीं जाना है, किस पे ट्रस्ट करना है थोड़ा नहीं करना है, अपने फ्रेंड्स का साथ देना है नहीं देना है, इनसेंस निकल रहे हैं आपके ही लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं, तब अपने आप को कैसे हैंडल करना है, आपका सेल्फ स्टीम इतना लो होता है। तो मुझे लगता है ओवरऑल जो है शो ने हमें बहुत सारी लर्निंग्स दी हैं, एंड वी आर ऑल ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट।
आई थिंक मैंने 2 चीजें सीखी है मेनली इस शो से। एक तो ट्रेटर्स का पैलेस आपको ये रियलाइज करता है कि कोई भी इंसान पूरा अच्छा या पूरा बुरा नहीं होता है। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रे एरिया इन ह्यूमैनिटी, एंड आई थिंक द ट्रेटर्स आईपी उस चीज को बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली दिखाती है। जैसे कि जब मैं भी एक इनोसेंट था, तब भी रफ्तार को मेरे ऊपर कोई एक चीज सोचकर वो चीज आई, फ्रॉम माई एंड टू रफ्तार सेम थिंग। सो कोई भी इंसान कभी भी बुरा या अच्छा नहीं होता है, हालात बुरे या अच्छे होते हैं, एंड इट्स आपका पर्सपेक्टिव जो वो डिसीजन आपके लिए लेता है, ए, एंड बी, यू नेवर नो द ट्रू इंटेंशंस ऑफ एनीबडी। कोई आपके मुंह पे आपको कह रहा है कि आप मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो, मैं आपका कत्ल नहीं करूंगा, मैं आपको वोट आउट नहीं करूंगा। Like for example, me and Urfi on episode 2 of the show had a pact that if any of us is the traitor, we will not kill each other, and if any of us is the innocent, then we will not vote each other out. We will not conspire against each other. But then she, based on a feeling, decided to convince people to vote me out. Not just her, Raftar also, and everybody. Like, you never know the true intentions of anybody. At any given point, लोग आपके बारे में अपना ख्याल बदल सकते हैं और उस हिसाब से एक्ट करना शुरू कर सकते हैं, और उसमें से कोई भी आपको नोटिफाई या इन्फॉर्म करने नहीं आएगा।
This was a good experiment in human psychology in a very closed, high pressure situation. There are a lot of parallels, and इन्होंने काफी बोला है जिससे मैं भी सहमत हूँ। There are a lot of parallels in life and a lot of lessons that you can learn in life, but I also feel like sometimes we end up underestimating ourselves, and in a show or in an environment like this, it's a good chance to sort of figure out your own psyche, as well as, like you say, you can also self-analyze while looking externally. Like for example, after Elnaz was eliminated and my entire gut spoke of the fact that ye traitor nahi hai, ye innocent hai, that's why I was not believing the fact that she could be a traitor. I had to go back and evaluate my psyche as well. So for me, it was a human psychology experiment equally on myself.
We were the rats.
Yeah, as well as observing other people. But I don't, this is again, it's like a closed lab experiment. No, matlab real world mein to cheezein bhi alag ho sakti hai.
I want to continue with that. Like, how much you have, I mean, in that environment, did you experience your worst emotions?
Truly. No, because I mean, please say na.
No, I thought you were taking. Okay.
No, I was just reaffirming a question.
More than experiencing the worst emotions, what happened in this environment was, and I think that's true for most of us, we were going from one emotion to the other cyclically very fast.
Yeah.
And because of that, by the time you have figured out how you're feeling and thinking, there's something new that's coming. Like आप mission के लिए जा रहे हो, या आप video diary में कुछ और बोल रहे हो, या किसी दूसरे group के साथ बैठ के कुछ discussion कर रहे हो. Your emotions are constantly changing. I don't know if personally I had to play a game where I had to feel heightened emotions in that sense. The 2 moments where I perhaps have felt, there were few moments where I have felt more emotional. But I think my entire play for the game was to try and maintain as much of a calm exterior as possible, because I didn't want my emotions to betray what I'm feeling on my face. And मेरी ये problem है life में, मेरे face पे subtitles आना शुरू हो जाते हैं, तो पूरे show में I was just trying to be as stoic as possible, because अंदरूनी storm अगर मैं बाहर दिखाऊं तो उस पे भी शक हो सकता है लोगों को कि that she could be a traitor. So that was the whole.
For you?
For me, it was like, you know, कि by nature, I'm a very big people pleaser. मेरे अंदर automatically आता है कि अगर मैं एक room of 20 में हूँ, तो मैं सबसे अलग, like the way I converse with people is कि if I'm talking to Jannat, then I will, like, you know, gel the way Jannat's personality is. If I'm talking to Anshula, then I'll gel into the way she is. तो मेरा as such कोई spine, कोई अस्तित्व कुछ था ही नहीं before entering the palace. I was a very like fluid people pleasing person कि मैं कहीं पे भी घुस जाता हूँ. And in the palace, I realized that that's the worst quality you can have as a human being, is that you don't exist. There's no existence to you. There's no awareness to your consciousness. आप actively अपने आप के लिए कोई decision ही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं. And like I felt so many emotions in the house, and it was the first time I was able to feel. Because in my life, I've always felt so overwhelmed by emotions that मैंने कभी emotions process ही नहीं किए. तो this house was the first time where I had the time, the ease to sit and process every emotion in real time.
भाई time और
Yeah, genuinely. No, because I'll tell you, in my regular life, whenever something's happened, like for example, for lack of better example, I had an online clash with someone, like I did recently. Then my whole day will go in thinking about like, why did I do this? Oh my God, I'm so horrible. Why did I fight with this person? This is so unnecessary. But then in that palace, I realized that it's actually not that serious. I don't know these people. I don't care for these people. Some of these people I like, and I'm going to be friends with them outside the show if necessary. But I'm not here to please people. Like, you know, in episode 1, I was sitting and telling everybody my life story, and मैं अपना दुखड़ा सुना रही थी सबको कि हाय रब्बा मर जावा मेरे साथ ये सब क्यों हुआ. And then from episode 2 only I started yelling and fighting, and I was just like, I don't care. I'm here, and I'm here to slay. So for me, I think emotionally the show made me stronger, genuinely, in life, and it's helped me deal with life way more easy, like in a way more easier manner.
Jannat, for you?
You need to repeat the question again. I'm sorry, because I just
She
don't
said-
Did
Yeah.
you encounter your worst
Did you
emotion
encounter your
during the
worst
show?
emotions in the show?
मतलब,
Oh, yes, but you know, it was not during the shoot.
Okay.
It was not during my time in the palace, but always after when I was in my room. And वो सारे emotions जो आपके सुबह से लेके रात तक आप पैलेस में फील करते हो, वहाँ पर लाइक अंशुला सेड कि हम वहाँ पर नहीं दिखा सकते थे, बिकॉज वहाँ पे इतनी छोटी छोटी बातें पकड़ी जाती थी कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर वहाँ पर कभी मैं पैनिक होकर थोड़ा रो भी देती तो किसी को लगता कि अरे, और
Acting
लगा
कर
भी
रही
है
है।
लोगों को ये कि ये एक्टिंग कर रही है या ये चाहती है कि ये बेचारी दिखे इस वजह से ये रो रही है, तो वहाँ पर आप चाहकर भी नहीं दिखा सकते थे. तो हमेशा जो मैंने अपने आप को इमोशंस में लूज किया है, इट्स ऑलवेज बिन आफ्टर द शूट इन माई रूम वेयर आई वाज अलोन. एक दिन ऐसा था जब हमें पूरा दिन छुट्टी मिली थी और हम शूट नहीं कर रहे थे, एंड दैट वाज वन डे जब मुझे
बस।
3 से 4 बार पैनिक अटैक आया, एंड आई वाज स्क्रीमिंग एंड आई वाज
बस।
हाउलिंग, एंड देयर वाज दिस एंटायर टीम इन माय रूम एंड डॉक्टर्स, एंड आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डील विद दिस, प्लीज मुझे मेरे मम्मी डैडी से बात करा दो, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं क्या नहीं कर रही हूँ. बट नेवर ऑन सेट, बट every night after the shoot. Every
But
night.
luckily, we had a psychologist and, like, you know, a counselor on
Yeah.
set for all of us at all times. So, you know, Amazon Prime, they really did take care of us to their best
Yeah.
level.
Yeah.
Elnas, for you?
I don't think I had any. I'm usually very controlled. Like I know how to control situations. I might lose my cool if something is really just not the way it's supposed to be. I might get angry as well, but I also know how to bring that back within 5 minutes. So I'm not somebody who's just gonna lose herself. So I think that's what really helped me be a traitor also, because I was able to think clearly.
So for you, 3 of you, was it like after coming out of the show, did you guys, how you find peace for yourself? Because I'm sure it's very heavy.
Flowers. You know, Supriya, I've realized that flowers are the biggest gift of life. Did I? You know? No, but honestly,
Flowers die if it's in a pot, it won't die. If you're doing cut flowers, they will die obviously.
Of course, you think I can grow flowers?
No, but you can
Who do
get
you
a
think
pot.
I am? No.
Then you'll always have flowers.
No, I think the beauty of like for me, peace is like staying in the present, staying in the moment, and I think flowers help you achieve that quite easily, because if you don't appreciate them while you're in the moment, when they come to your house, they will die.
Anshula,
Genuinely.
Anshula, for you, what you did to
To
get
get-
yourself like you?
पहली
I'm sure-
बात तो after I went home, I remember मैं 2 दिन बस सोई हूँ.
Love it.
लाश की तरह बस सोई हूँ.
Iconic.
18
Peaceful
घंटे.
sleep.
Yeah, I was just bone tired, exhausted, mentally also exhausted, and I've just slept through as much as I possibly could. And then I think for most of us, this is true, getting access to our, like, for
People,
example, being able to
family.
speak.
Sorry,
bless
bless
you.
Bless you.
Sorry.
Being able to speak to your family, your friends,
Yeah.
just being able to become normal, where you're not constantly talking about घर के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, कौन traitor हो सकता है. That was very normalizing. That
Yeah.
was, I think,
Yeah.
for all of us, it was like हम घास अभी
I
finally
think the
चूस
most
सकते हैं.
basic of things
Yeah.
after we got out of the show, we felt like, wow, this is privilege.
But like
You know what
holding
I
a
mean?
phone felt
Yeah.
new. Holding
Time
a
देखना
phone
अरे
felt
हमें
like,
पता है
oh my
12
god,
बज
ये
रहे
क्या
हैं, because we
है?
were not allowed. We didn't
have-
know क्या
yeah,
time हो रहा है for the
timings,
longest
like, all of that.
Like
10-12
the
days.
phone felt alien to the hand.
The phone honestly gave me a lot of anxiety my first week back, because it was constantly notifications were pinging, and हमें 2 हफ्ते बिना
Silence.
phone के, मतलब we were not used to this also. So getting back and acclimatize yourself back into normal
It was
life,
very hard.
it felt like an experiment only we've gone and done.
Anshula, how Arjun reacted to you in the show?
He's not seen it.
No,
Ooh!
I'm sure he's seen the
He'll
promo.
binge it when the whole thing is out, I think.
Okay, and now you have tried a reality show. Would you like to try acting
No,
as well?
No. Not at all.
Lastly, I want to ask what you gain from the show.
What we gained from the show, I think all of us gained some sort of friendships that we are all
Money.
holding
Really?
very
Friendships,
close.
Money.
self-awareness.
Self-awareness, yeah.
Self-awareness.
Because Karan Johar said it's difficult after the show. You can't become friends of the people inside.
Who said?
We are
Karan
friends.
Johar in the trailer
Damn.
launch, if you remember.
We are friends.
Yes, oh my god. Yeah, but we're
No, but
friends.
we're
We're
all
all
friends.
chill.
That's
In
all.
the
that's
game, you
script.
can't be friends because the
But
game
then
is
you play,
such.
if you play it with the thought that you are playing a game,
Yeah.
obviously, if you have built a connection with somebody, when you come out of the game, you can continue the connection to see in the real world, does it exist? And a lot of us have found it in people outside of the show as
Yeah.
well. So there are connections.
And I mean, come on,
And
this
me
is
and
coming
Apurva were
from
not friends before and were great friends after.
this is coming from a game called Mafia, right?
Yeah.
And literally, friends
Play it.
get together.
To
Friends
fight.
groups get together to play Mafia. And they fight in that game and they get out,
It's
and then
over.
next week they meet again
Yeah,
and
they're
they play
friends
Mafia
again.
again. Because it is a game. And it is
Period.
over after a time. So knowing that and understanding that nothing is going to hold you back from becoming friends in real life.
Yeah.
Because that's not real life, that's reality, right? That's fiction. That's what, yeah.
I did a whole pre-apology video on this where I described the meaning of reality show, a show where cameras are run to record people for the purpose of entertainment.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
So if you're not entertained, then you can stop watching, and if you are, then hit
Keep
follow.
watching.
You know, that's the only two outcomes from this.
Yeah.
Whereas people have taken it to a much more sentimental and emotional and like, ये भाई को मेरे भाई को और
But
मेरे
to be
पियो
fair, we
को
were
and all that.
playing it also quite emotionally to a great extent in the show. So now that's, I think that's just like,
But that's just because we were the, what do you say, the test projects. हमें तो हमारा सब कुछ दिखाना ही है. We are the lab rats in the palace. We have to give it all. We have to give our 100% or else we won't make it to the end. You know, but from a viewer's perspective, they can't be so butthurt about these things.
Yeah.
True, true.